what's up? Welcome to today's video. We are going to go through all of my favorite products from last month, which was October. If you have been to my channel before and you are a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If this is your first time here, welcome to the family, and be sure to go ahead and smash that like button and that subscribe button so you can be a part of the Big Blue Debutante family. And if you have been here before, but you have yet to hit that subscribe button, I'm not really sure what you're waiting for, but we'll give you a second to go ahead and hit that big old red button right below that says subscribe. We'll wait. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Alright guys, I don't have too many things to share with you, but the few things that I do have, I think they are pretty freaking amazing, and they have become some staples of mine over the last few weeks, so I definitely wanted to share those with you. The first thing is, y'all, this NARS Climax Mascara. Climax Mascara. This is absolutely amazing, you all. Like, this mascara is like so super duper, like, I just don't even know how to describe it, but it gives you that nice full fluffy coverage in your eyelashes. That this is the perfect makeup item that if you are on a weekend or even during the week and you don't have anywhere to go except for like the grocery store or something and you don't want to put a full face on, this is the only product that you need is a little bit of mascara. This just really feathers out your lashes and gives you that false lash look without it actually being false lashes. You guys, this is amazing. I'm so glad I picked this up. I saw where Jackie Ina had talked about this in a previous video and had me a little intrigued because I saw her put this on and then she put lashes on. I'm like, well, it looks like she already has lashes on. But this was really nice, so I had to buy it and I kind of love it. If you are new here to my channel, if there's something that you like, no worries, okay? All of the products are listed down in the description box. And if you hear the noise in the background, that's my dogs upstairs going crazy, acting plumb fools, so just ignore them. We'll get through this. The next thing, well actually 1, 2, 3. I have 3 items that are all from the same brand, and they are from MAC. Now, not sure if y'all familiar with Patrick Starr, but earlier in this, no, it wasn't this year. I think it was November, December last year. I uploaded a video where I did a review of his first collab project with MAC Cosmetics. And in that first collab, he launched, I think, 2 eyeshadow palettes, 3 or 4 lipsticks, a couple lip glosses, as well as his now infamous Patrick's powder, and it's a translucent setting powder, and that is the product that I reviewed. If you missed it, I will link it up here in a card so you can check it out. But he then went on to release 3 additional collab projects throughout the remainder of 2018. And his most recent launch, well, let me back up. So with the first launch, he had an eyeshadow palette. And you all, mind you, I bought the eyeshadow palette along with the powder, and that was back in December of 2017. For some reason, I don't know if I misplaced the eyeshadow palette or I just didn't want to, I don't know what was going on. But for whatever reason, I never touched the eyeshadow palette until like the last 3 or 4 weeks. And you guys, this palette is so amazing. This palette is so versatile and just goes so well with every skin tone, every skin type. Like, I think it is perfect palette, especially for fall. So that, again, maybe that was one of the things because it came out in the winter time. I do think that it is a winter palette, but I guess because I waited so long to actually review it, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna wait and pull it out in the fall. So that's what I did. So this is one of the first palettes that Patrick came out with MAC Cosmetics. And with his first couple launches, he stuck with this like holographic design with his name and the chrome and white packaging. I think it's really nice. And then obviously I have used this, so it's a little messy, but here are the colors. I think it is just absolutely stunning. And this goldish color is my absolute favorite. Like, I will wear that by itself. I think it is just the perfect shade. And this particular palette is called the Patrick Star Goal Getter Eyeshadow Quad. So you get soft brown, amber lights, Swiss chocolate, and I'm into it. So I really love this palette, you guys. I don't know if they still sell this. Like, I don't know if these are limited edition or what. I literally got this on pre-launch, so I paid for this and bought it before it was even available to the public. So not sure if you can still get it. If you can, I suggest you do it. You will not regret this purchase. Now, the latest thing from Patrick is his Diva collection, and he launched that, I want to say maybe 2 months ago. And in this Diva collection, he launched 2 eyeshadow palettes, and both came with a coordinating matte liquid lipstick. And if you know MAC and you've been a customer of MAC for years and years and years, you know that that is one of the things that they are known for aside from their foundations. Their liquid lipsticks formula is just, it's creamy, yet you still get that perfect matte finish without your lips feeling really dry and cracky, anything like that. And they have tons and tons and tons of colors. Like, the array of colors is literally endless. So this is what the Diva collection looks like. The packaging is just like so sleek. Like, he released a music video, which is friggin' awesome. If you haven't seen it, definitely check it out. But the theme of it, of this Diva collection, is obviously just kind of looks like luggage. And I think this is very kind of creative and very sleek. And this time we've got this brown color along with this metallic gold font and print on the box. And this is the Boy About Town palette, and it also came with a retro matte liquid lipstick. Same and similar packaging. This is a red color, and it's the red that I have on now. You all know I love a good red lipstick, so that's where we are. And I've not even tried this out yet, but so I'm kind of doing like an unboxing. But this is just amazing. The lipstick, I've worn it a million times, but the colors in this I thought were perfect, especially for fall. So with each of these in this Diva collection, you actually get this like face card that kind of shows a nice little makeup look. And this is the Boy About Town, and it says, pack your bags and head into fall first class. Glam away and check into the sweet collection. XO Patrick Star. So that's what this is. And so let me show you what the palette looks like. And I just love how they have it wrapped up in this nice coordinating brown tissue paper. Everything was just so well thought of. And the actual palette is just a mini version of the outside unicarton packaging. And it, again, looks like luggage. I think it just looks really nice. And again, this is a quad. And when you look at this, you're going to be like, girl, isn't this the same as the one you put up before? No, it's not the same. It is slightly different. But here is what the colors look like. So this is like a brownish chocolate gray color. We've got like a burgundy wine color, another gold shimmer color, and then just a nice taupe transition shade. And then if you want to compare the two side by side, here is both palettes that I have. So clearly this one and the two golds are similar, but they are obviously slightly different. You can tell this one's a little bit more bold, and this one has a little bit more shimmer. But both of them have two cool transition shades. I think it's perfect for fall and winter, and I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this. Again, I'm using this one up like crazy right now, and I'm definitely going to tap into this. But I am very, very into these fall colors and fall palettes. So thanks, Patrick. The last item that I would like to share with you all is my new obsession with a little company called Scentbird. And if you are not familiar with Scentbird, they are a monthly like perfume cologne subscription service, and they have other things besides that, but that's obviously what they got started with and they're known for. And it's a monthly perfume and cologne subscription service where you can test out multiple perfumes each month without committing to the full-size bottle and the full-size price, because let's all be honest here, we know that a lot of really high-end name brand perfumes and colognes, they're expensive. So this allows you to get almost an entire month's use out of a sample size bottle, and you can test it out to see how you like it before you want to commit. Now, if some people I know they like to switch up their perfumes, they like to try different ones, it's kind of a obsession, and that's fine. So for someone like that, this service is perfect for you because you don't have to commit or spend the money on one bottle of perfume. You can sample out and try as many as you would like for a fraction of the price. Not to mention it comes in cute little packaging, travel size, all that good stuff. But like me, I have been wearing the same perfume since I was 18, and that is Calvin Klein's Euphoria. And I've always gotten compliments on it. It just works with my body chemistry. I think it smells nice on me, and I really like it. I mean, I've got my mom hooked on it, you know, a couple of her friends, neighbors. I mean, everyone loves it. It's just great. And so this was something new for me to try to venture out, because I was like, you know what, I have literally been wearing the same perfume for almost 15 years. I said I need to kind of change it up a little bit, so I decided to check out Scentbird and see about, you know, trying out some different perfumes. So each month you will get a little box, and inside the box it will come in a little velvet bag like this, and inside the bag is this little tube, and it looks like this, and it's got the Scentbird logo on it going around. And the cool thing is all you gotta do is twist it and it pops up atop, and that's where the perfume comes out. It's got the little nozzle right here, and you spray out your perfume, and it's, woo, just wasted it. But no, I mean, and like literally, like I said, you can just twist it down, store it, you can leave it on your vanity, you can put it in your purse, put it in your bag, wherever you want to go, but you legit get almost a month's worth of use and wear out of this little sample size right here. And each month you can log into your dashboard, pick and choose which scent you want to be sent next. And it's just really, this is like so innovative. Like, I think this is the coolest thing ever. And I'm really glad that they came up with this to really keep us in mind, to be able to try and sample all of these wonderful new scents. So of course, if you all want to try out Scentbird or want to learn more about it, I will have a link down in the description box. And if you do click on that link, it will give you 15% off of your first month's shipment if you choose to try it out. It is $14.95 a month. So that'll knock it down to about $11 and some change for your first month to sample it out. I highly recommend it, because you guys, I am wearing perfumes that I never thought I would. So this is fun. I think it's nice. And if you're a perfume or a cologne junkie, like I know a lot of people, then this would be right up your alley. So again, all the details will be listed down in the description box. Alright guys, so that is it for today. I didn't sample out a whole lot of products during the month of October, but those that I did, I wanted to share what worked for me, and those were those 5 products that I just shared with you. So if you have not already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. So alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!